Good day, guys. It's your one and only BSLEG72. As you all know me, your mentor. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next video. Are you struggling to stay consistent in your trading? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a step-by-step trading plan that will keep you disciplined, help you manage risk like a professional trader, and take the guesswork out of your trading. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear blueprint you can use every single day to trade with confidence. Let's get started, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and the subscribe button, you understand, for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next one. So as you can see, guys, the trading plan is already written out for you. You understand? So this is the trading plan for this strategy that I am using. You understand? So one thing that you need to know, a trading plan is always and will be always your blueprint that you use each and every time you'll be taking an entry. Understand? On the previous video, we spoke about a trading checklist that you need to do before you take a trade, but a trading plan will be something that you follow. Understand? So a trading plan is like your blueprint. It outlines exactly how you will trade step by step, so emotions don't interfere with your decisions. Understand, guys? So as you can see on my screen, we have a trading plan for the equizone strategy. So number one, we have what we call trading goals. Trading goals are simply things that you need to achieve whenever you enter a trade. You understand? Immediately when you start looking at your MT4, you already have your goals. You'll be like, okay, fine, I find that at 500, I need to make 1.5 around London session or around New York. You understand? Those are goals that I am talking about. So those are called primary goals, which are targets with a controlled risk. Understand? Number two, we have what we call our performance goals, which is the end of the win rate at the end of the day that you got, the risk reward that you had to follow, the max risk per trade. Understand? So this 200 or 500, it's simply anyone who is funding that amount of cash into their trading accounts. Understand? So it will depend if you find a 500 and then you split it into two, meaning it's 250 for London, 250 for New York. You understand? It depends, guys. You understand? We don't have the same capital. Then number two, we have what we call trading sessions. So trading sessions, obviously, it's London and New York. So I personally trade gold, Nasdaq, and German 30. So the preferred markets in this case won't be Euro, USD, GBP, and gold. Instead, it will be German 30, Nasdaq, and gold. Understand? So I trade this with sharp. As you can see, trading times align with trading sessions. Understand? So there are certain trading times that you need to follow using this strategy. Understand? If you click the link on my description, you'll see those trading times that I'm talking about on my Telegram group. I did send a PDF there, or a picture, I think. But on the other videos that will be coming soon, I will still be talking about those trading times. And then we have what we call time frame alignment. There are certain alignments with time frames that you need to align with. For example, 15 minutes goes along with 1 minute. Do you understand? Then we have number three, which are our market conditions. Market conditions are simply us knowing if the market is trending to the top or to the downside. It's ranging. You understand? It has low volatility. Understand? So we only trade when price is at discount. So we trade when price is at discount for buys, and you only sell price when it's at premium. Understand? You never sell price at a discount. You understand? That's not normal. You understand? And then look for a clear direction based on the higher time frame alignment, volatility presented during the trading sessions. And then number four, we have what we call our entry criteria. Entry criteria in this instance, for me, it's my golden zone, it's my dealing range, it's my times, it's my entry types, it's my market structure. So in this case, we are seeing that price must reach a equizone level. In this case, what is an equizone level? Equizone level, it's simply the equilibrium point. You understand? And then we are looking for confirmation. Confirmation in this regards, it's golden zone, tap
it's your times, dealing range, market structure, and then we simply enter when the market gives you a close of that certain candlestick on that certain time frame that you saw the entry time at. Then number 5, we simply have what we call risk management. Risk management, I promise you guys, 70% of you don't use it. Like, I swear, I know. If I'm wrong, please comment below, but I know, guys. I know. So risk management is number 5 in this case. But as you can see, capital is my risk management. According to me, whatever I find, let's say I find a K will be the money that I'm willing to lose. And then guess what? I will just go in with that K. If I lose that K, I lost that K. Understand? I'll go back. Understand? So I trade 2 times a day, by the way. And then stop loss below or above a recent swing high. And then minimum risk reward is either risking a K to make 2K or risking a K to make 12K. So it's 1:2 to 1:12. These are my personal risk rewards. You understand? So number 6, we have exit strategy. Strategy, it's simply knowing when you'll be exiting a certain trade. Understand? Let's say you enter a trade on Nasdaq and then it went about 1:2. You simply take your partials if you do, or if you don't, just put your stop loss break even. Then your partials, another second partials can be at 1:5, and then just put your stop loss break even, guys, after each and every partials for you to just secure your profits and just protect your capital. And then number 7, we have our trade management. Trade management, it's simply telling yourself that, okay, fine, if I lose 2 trades, meaning around London and New York, I'm done for the day. No over trading. Max trades that I do personally take, it's only 2 trades per day. I do not revenge trade. You understand? Sometimes I do. I won't lie to you. I'm being real with you. I'm being transparent with you. Sometimes I do revenge trading. Sometimes it goes well. Sometimes it doesn't go well. But out of 10 chances, it can only be 1 whereby I do revenge trading. You understand? Because now I know better. So, as I say, no revenge trading after a loss. And then if stop, and no, I think I made an error here. If your trade hits a stop loss or you have a losing trades that occurred maybe 2 times, then you stop trading for the day. You understand? There was an error there, sorry guys. And then number 8, it's simply having your post-trade review. What is a post-trade review? It's simply yourself journaling. You understand? So you record your screenshots. We all have the tendency, when you got that sniper entry, simply take that screenshot, or maybe you're in deep profits, you simply take that screenshot. That certain screenshot that you took should be the same screenshot that you will be used when you are journaling your trades. And also what you need to do is just write your emotions that took place. Some of us, we trade because we feel like the market is leaving us behind. Some of us, we trade, then we feel the fear inside us. Some of us, we trade and we feel greedy. We call full margin. Those are certain emotions that you need to mark out. You understand? Also, market conditions. Is the market moving to the top, moving to the down? After the certain trade, what have you learned? There's no such thing that after you took a trade, there's nothing you learned. Come on, guys. Let's be real. You understand? There's always something that we learn. Each and every loss that you take, it's not a loss. It's a lesson that you need to take, put it in yourself, and go tomorrow and try again. And check results, guys, weekly to find patterns for improvement. Let's say you are over trading too much because you are feeling like you are being left behind. Some we trade because we need that 2,000 maybe to buy your shoes, clothes. That's one thing I always tell people. Don't just trade because you have something to do. Understand? Trade, just be patient with yourself. Understand? Just be patient with yourself. So this is the trading plan that I use, guys. Understand? These are certain things that I always follow in order for me to master the discipline in trading. Understand? And to make sure that I don't allow my emotions to interfere with my decisions in my trading. Understand? So these are only things that I follow. There's nothing extra. There's nothing. Understand? These are only things that I use for my trading. Understand? So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. The next video that will be coming up will be a bang. You understand? So yeah, I don't want to keep these videos long. You understand? I want to keep them as short as possible so you can concentrate. Understand? And take 2 or 3 things from what I'm saying or from what I'm showing you or teaching, put them into your trading style. Understand? It's your one and only Peace Like 72. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I be dropping the next hot one. Thank you.